Okay, music please.
Look at me, look at me. I am changing to find a way I can. I am changing. I'll be better than I am. I'm trying to find a way to understand. I need you. I need. I need it. I am changing. Seen everything so clear. I am changing. Gonna start right now, right here. I'm hoping to work it out, and I know that I can. But I need you. I need a hand. All of my life, I've been a fool who said I could dream of love. How many good friends have I fallen in love? How many nice nights have I known? Walking down the wrong road, there was nothing I could find. And all the tears of my eyes, you make us a sign. Now I can see I am changing. To find a way I can. I'm changing. I'll be better than I am. But I need a girl to help me start all over again. Oh, that would be just fine. I know it's gonna work out this time. 'Cause this time I am. This time I'll get my life together now. I am changing. At syempre, kung meron mga love song, meron ding ano po, danceable. Ayan, We Found Love po.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we proudly present our guest performer.
Next song, ikaw na, isa pa. Paalang track, pangilan? We Found Love. Pangilan number? Ay. We Found Love daw. We Found Love.
Anong number yan?
Pwede?
Dapat ko muna ito. Hindi, nalaman tuloy nila yung na-record.
Pwede mag-steps? Galing niya, no?
Kasi nga ibang
Pero
artist.
bakit parang mag-ilap sa'yo ang kapalaran? Lalo na sa pag-ibig.
Hindi ko po alam. Siguro ganun po talaga.
Kapalaran mo ba magkapalaran ba kayo ni Mahal?
Ikaw na po.
Oo.
Kunwari,
Dapat di
naliligaw
ka
si
nakasunod.
Ikaw si Mahal.
Kasi ibang artist na yun eh.
Ulitin mo.
Kasi wala naman isang tao dito na.
Sabihin mo, kunin mo.
Hindi agad nakakonect dapat.
Kunin mo na po ko dito. Mag-check na po ako.
Yun sa kanya pa rin.
Okay.
Pangilan.
Ba tama yung sinabi ko? Okay na? Okay.
Pangilan?
Go!
Pang ilang number daw? Ryan, pang ilang number? Sunod-sunod yon?
Hindi po. Pero kung
O, nasa yung isa? Ah.